So lean manufacturing it's kind of an ideology that it aims to eliminate waste, essentially, if you want to just boil it down. And it kind of you want to have exactly what you need when you need it, kind of like just-in-time inventory. But it's not just like physical items with lean manufacturing. It's everything,
Time.
It's time, exactly. Processes, right? Things take time. So, they try to eliminate any process or part of the process, that is not essential to the output. And when you do that, you kind of streamline everything. It makes everything more efficient and whatnot. So it's and other industries are actually adopting that as well. So you have the construction industry. There's lean construction.
Okay.
And they follow the same principles as well. So they eliminate all processes that are unnecessary, any things that are doubled up, and it eliminates downtime in manufacturing for the actual lines that are creating the products. In construction, a lot of times you'll have, things need to be done in a certain order. In construction,
It's definitely good to have a process so everyone's focused on the same goal.
Exactly.
You don't waste time.
Yeah.
Save money, save time.